Before starting the video, if you can, please download the PDF file on the description below so you can work with me. First one here. So we know that log base a of b, let's say equal to x. So to unlock this, remember a is just push this x up, so which is b is equal to a to the power of x. So therefore, to solve this, because this is log base 3 of x, so which is the 3, we just push this up, so which is x is equal to 3 to the power of 4. So therefore, x is equal to 3 to the power of 4 is 81. Second one. First of all, we need to unlock this first. So this 3 here, because it's base 3, so the 3 just push this 4 up. So the left hand side leave with x minus 3 is equal to 3 to the power of 4. And we know that 3 to the power of 4 is 81. And then this is x minus 3. So now to solve for this, so I add 3 on the left, then I add 3 on the right, so this is cancelled out. So therefore, x is equal to 84. This one here, log base 3 log base 2 of x is equal to 2. So therefore, to solve this, we have to unlock twice. So the first one is this one here, 3. We push this 2 up, so which is 3 to the power of 2. So this become log base 2 of x is equal to 3 square. So we know that 3 square is 9. So the left hand side leave with log base 2 of x. Then to solve for x, of course, we unlock one more time. So this 2 here, you push the 9 up. So which is x is equal to 2 to the power of 9. So now I can just put in a calculator. So which is 2 to the power of 9. So that is 512. So therefore, x is equal to 512. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. First one. So to solve this, step number 1 is we need to unlock this. So this 16 here, push this negative half up. So therefore x is equal to 16 to the power of negative half. So 16 is equal to 4 to the power of 2, or 4 square if you like. So if we power up this, which is negative half, and this is the same as power of negative half here as well. So therefore, remember, a to the power of m, power of n is equal to a power of m times n. So therefore, 2 times negative half is equal to negative 1. So this is equal to 4 to the minus 1. So 4 to the power of negative 1 is equal to 4 to negative 1 times 1. So what we do, we just bring this down so it becomes positive index. So which is 1 over 4 to the power of 1, which is 4. So that is a quarter, if you like. So I just rewrite this out. So x to the minus 4 to the minus a half. That's the square, of course. So therefore, x is equal to 4 to the negative 1. And this is to bring this 4 to minus 1 down. So x equal to this one here is nothing in front of this, is become 1. We bring it down, so that become 1 over 4. So therefore, x is equal to a quarter, or 0.25 if you like. Second one. So first of all, we need to unlock this first. So the x is pushed to 2 up. That is 32 is equal to x to the power of 2. So therefore, to solve for x, we square root both sides. So which is plus or minus square root of 32 is equal to x. So because x must greater than 0. Okay, so therefore, x is equal to square root of 32. So don't forget, 32 is equal to 16 times 2. So square root of that, square root of this. So that is square root of 16 is equal to 4. So the answer is 4 root 2. So 4 square root of 2. So therefore x is 4 square root 2. Last one. So again, we have to unlock twice for this because we have log base 2, log base 3 of x squared is equal to 2. So step number 1, we need to get rid of this log base 2 first by unlock it. So that means 2, you push this 2 up. So which is log of base 3 of x squared is equal to 2 to the power of 2. So this means that 2 to the power of 2 is 4. So I just rewrite this out. So which is 3x squared. Now this is two ways to do it from this step onward. The first one is remember the log law. So log of a b m. So we can bring the m in front. So that is m log of a b. So I'm using this rule. So this means that the 2 here I can bring in the front. So which is equal to 2 log base 3 of x is equal to 4. So therefore I get rid of these 2 first by divide by 2 on the left, divide by 2 on the right hand side. So that is log of base 3 of x is equal to 2. So this 3 I push this up. So which is x is equal to 3 squared. So x is equal to 3 squared. So therefore, x is equal to 3 squared is equal to 9. Otherwise, you can also follow these steps as well. So you can unlock this first by 3, push this 4 up, so which is x squared is equal to 3 to the power 4. So 3 to the power 4 is 81. And then you can square root both sides. So x must be equal to square root of 81. So therefore, x is equal to 9. And don't forget, x have to be positive. So therefore, we ignore the negative side. So therefore, x is equal to 9. Thank you so much for watching.